Hello everyone, welcome to Travel Maker TV. Today I'm here from a different place, which is called IFAC or IFAC. The top of the mountain there. So let's go. You actually can hike to the top. Usually take about 2 hours to the top, but the view from the summit was really beautiful. And still, I mean already it's a really beautiful view right now. So this is a free entrance, and just bring a cup of water and just snacks. It's gonna be really fun. So first of all, the first line is like this. So it's like, you know, like a snake road. So basically you can come here like pretty easily, but once you go to the nearly kind of top, it's kind of, you know, the coast side, and walking so looks like really dangerous. Okay guys, this is kind of interesting. So first part is just, you know, snake road and very easy, but from here like cave area, which is kind of really cool. And from here you have to kind of really up the stairs. This is really cool. It's really cave. Wow. So we're gonna go this way and let's see what will be after this. Let's go. So after the cave I showed you, this road like this. So literally when you slip or like you fall down, bye. It's kind of really, well, it's there's a street actually, so it's easy, but once you hear, you know, the last scene, so like you have to follow this road, and there's also like a mark for that, so it's pretty easy. Okay, so this is the two-way to go. Look, so that one we went about 350 meters to there, and the mountain top of the Cream d'IFAC is 550 meters, so we go all the way down this. So let's go. All right guys, so about 5 or 10 more minutes we're gonna arrive to the top. We will reach to the top, but before that, if you come, this is the way to the top, but if you come this way you will be able to see the different landscape, the view. That's beautiful. And there's the town of Calpe. Aquí, Calpe. Yeah, the ocean was totally blue. It's amazing, it's beautiful. Yeah, so before go to the top or after the top, you can see here to see different point of view. Okay, let's go to the top. Okay, so this is really rocky. It's really dangerous. I mean, you have to use this chain and hold it. Otherwise, it's locked. It's pretty slippery. And just a moment, there's the top of the mountain. Yeah, that's really beautiful view. It's amazing. So I said the different way goes that very edge of the mountain, and there's a second way to all the way down. We walked, and finally I only can see the sky. So maybe there's goals soon. So let's go. Okay, 皆さん、あ、見えてしまった。I can see the view from the mountain. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow. Madre mia. We made it? Yes, we made it. It's beautiful. Really like it. Wow. Oh, looks like I thought it's really hard, but actually not. just about 1 hour walk and you will reach to the sky. But the view is amazing. Really liked it. Wow. So this is the actual mountain of this summit. It's really amazing. It's really beautiful, but there's a bunch of the bird and shit here, so it's kind of smelly, but that was anyway, it's beautiful. So bring a sandwich or some, you know, the lunch here to eat together. Gonna be really fun. And this is a really amazing view. And the mountain is kind of this. And that one is the sign of the top summit of the mountain. And this is the actual stuff. Yeah, it's amazing. So if you go that way, Valencia and Bolsona, and this is Benzoum and Alicante over there. So this is all coastline, but the ocean was really blue, really amazing. Yeah, it's beautiful. All right, so like we're gonna take a rest a little bit here, then we'll go down, and I want to see the rock as well. So we're gonna go the beach side, the coast, and we will see the rock. Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. So this is really edge of the as well. Yava. Oh my gosh, this is a really amazing view. Yeah, that's amazing. Then the ocean is really clean, you know, I can see it. It's beautiful. I really liked it. So if you have a chance to visit here, just come and see it. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next video.